Right. All right, sorry. After the last video, I got the talking on the Discord. He mentioned that it's very hard to set the people to a location. I'm not so sure if that's what he means, but I can actually maybe try to solve that. I'm guessing the problem is like, okay, if you duplicate the thing, how you actually make sure it's in exactly the same location, right? So I revert like the file to the beginning. If you haven't seen the other video, please look it first where I explain like the matrix problem, right? So we have like the door and we want to make like a clean door that's exactly in the same location. How would I do that, right? So first off, let's duplicate clone the door so we don't lose like our original. So we have like a new clean door here. I'm gonna just rename it just so we are so it's a little bit simpler to understand what's going on, right? So I'm gonna put this as a clean door. You can always like speed up my talking, right? So what we want to do with the clean door, right? If you remember, like in the last video, I told about like first like we should first of all bake like the scale, so like we don't mess up the scale when we reset the matrix, right? And we want to yeah, we can like reset, and that's gonna move like the center of the door to be on the 000, right? Not our pivot point, right? If that's pretty much like what I covered in the last video. Like, so we want to like to move the origin, so now where like the pivot from nomad is actually on the 000, and we want to bake. So now like this door has like the pivot the pivot that you set in the orange, like the zero of the matrix, and we want to create here a group that's like the add and group, right? So the group is in the same location as the door, and like the question is like, but okay, but now it's very hard to put like I wanted the door to be in the location of that door before, and how do you do that? What you have to understand is like how the child relationship works is that if you put like this door as a child of the first door, right, and you look at the matrix kind of changed, because like that what the matrix is displaying is like the position of this door in relation to the parent, right? So if you now would come here and like reset the door, you see like the door is exactly in the same spot, but it's tiny. Let me see here. The reason why it's tiny is because of the original door I didn't bake the matrix of it, right? So but it is fine. What we want to do now is like unparent it. So if we unparent and we like reset like the scale, because you see like now it, as soon as you unparent, it's gonna like reset the values in relation to the word, and then you can like reset the scale. You see, it's not exactly in the same locations because I didn't bake the matrix of the first door. So let's return that. Let's undo all the steps, and like what I want to do here is like I need to select this door. I'm gonna create here. I'm gonna unparent them. That's why I named it then clean door, because I'm gonna create here a new group, right? So like this is like the dirty door, right? So we're gonna put like this one in this location as a child again. We're gonna reset everything, and now we're gonna unparent it, right? So now you could actually come here and delete this group, and if you would export now, so export as GLTF, save the files, let's call it like L4, save, and let's open it in morphin, import L4, confirm, right? So now if we would open here like open the file, and we would look like where the clean door is, it's exactly on the same location that you had in your original nomad file. All right, we pick it up, select the object, and we can like rotate, and it's exactly in the same position that you had before. So you can always like use it as like parenting, resetting the transform, and unparenting, right? So you inherit the position that you have on the parent. I hope that was the question, and I hope it helped. All right, thank you.